Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to set reminders on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Google account here. You will find your profile picture here if you are using the Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, all you need to do if you are using another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you will need to search for Google or search for the Gmail. You can do it by going to Gmail, and here after you connect to your Google account, you will find this Google Apps icon. You click on it, and here you will search for all the icons that are contained here, and we are going to choose calendar as an application. After you click on it, it will give you the access, and it will redirect you to the Google Calendar web application. And now all you need to do is to create a reminder, and to do so you will need just to click on this create button, and you will find reminder. So if you cannot find reminder here, you can choose to click any place here, and basically you choose any day, and here we will find reminder, and you click on the reminder. You can have it to repeat every day, daily, or have a custom repetition or frequency. You can make it for the whole day, a reminder for the whole day, so it will be sticking with the whole day. And of course you can give it time, and I give it, you can have this like this time, you can set it like that, make it a reminder, and you will have a time to a time, and by that you will have your reminder that have set successfully. Let's for example go back to another date. For example, like this, we go for by month, and here we will have, for example, like that. You can set a reminder for multiple days. You can click on reminder, you add the title of your reminder, you give it a time or a date, but we did it by dragging the whole days, and then you will click save. So basically this is how you can create reminders. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.